It's about 11:30 at night. And our power just barely came back on. It went off about 9. And we basically had a blizzard here tonight. And it's still snowing. I don't know if you can see. Oh, it's cold out here. This is April. This is crazy. Now, this is not fun. Look at that tree. It had blossoms on it. Now it's bent over because of its weight. My car, all covered in snow. Okay, my hands are freezing. Bye.